Hi everyone, now we are with another introductory video. So we are going to talk about introduction to computers. First we are going to talk about the objectives. So the first objective is what is a computer. Then we are going to talk about what is data, what is information, features of computer, finally functions of computer. What is a computer? So a computer is an electronic device which can perform various tasks based on the instruction given by humans. So the computer will work according to humans' instruction. It can receive input, save data and instructions, reuse and process data which have been saved and display the processed data or information on the screen or print. A computer can input data by using input devices, process data by using processing devices. Then computer can output result by using output devices. And also computer can store data by using storage devices. So a computer can input data, process data, output result and store data. And that does not matter if you are talking about desktop computers, laptop, tab, mobile devices, any type of computers must be able to do these things. So what is data? Data is raw fact. In a suitable form, they may be processed by computer. For example, numbers, text, images or symbols can be data. Data are generally not organized and therefore it is difficult to make sense of it. What is information? When data is arranged in an organized or meaningful manner, they are called information, or processed data we called as information. As example, Anne is 12 years old. And another example, if we talk about another example, Peter has obtained 96 marks for computer science. So it gives you some information. When we talk about features of computers, there are many features, but I have taken 5 main points as 5 main features, right? So the first one is accuracy. It provides correct output when correct instructions and data are fed. But if we input wrong data to the computer, it produces the wrong output or information called GIGO. Garbage in or garbage out. That means if you enter wrong information to the computer, it produces the wrong output, right? So this is we called as garbage in and garbage out. So when we talk about speed, a computer can work at a very high speed. It may execute more than 1 million instructions per second. So the next one is storing and retrieving. A computer has mass storage devices where we can store a large volume of data and information for future reference, or this is we call as retrieving. So whenever you need, you can recall whatever you have stored in that place, or we call this as we can store the information on a storage devices. Right. So the next one is versatility. A computer can perform multiple and various tasks simultaneously. Right. So it's not like human beings. Many tasks can be processed and performed at once. Diligence. A computer never gets tired. Not like human beings. A computer can work for hours without any break or errors. So here I have mentioned 5 features of computer system, so you can refer them easily. functions of a computer. Basic functions of a computer are entering data, processing them, and producing the processed data, or we call this as information. So you can input the data by using input devices, then process by processing devices. Finally, you can output the result by using the output devices. So now we have come to the summary. So throughout this lesson you learn about what is a computer and what is data, and about information, then features of a computer, and finally functions of a computer. So hope you learn basic information about computers. Watch the next video to learn more on computer system, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more useful tips. Our channel name is Computer Science and ICT, and don't forget to press the bell button to receive the notifications. So thank you for watching.